In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the recycle bin on an Android phone. So if you've recently deleted a file and want to restore it or permanently remove it from your device, just follow these steps. First, unlock your Android phone and swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Type Files, My Files, or File Manager. The exact app name may vary depending on your Android device. Once you find the app, tap on it to open it. If you're currently inside a folder, keep tapping the back button until you return to the main screen of the file manager. Look for the recycle bin or trash option. Tap on Recycle Bin to open it. Inside, you'll see files that have been deleted but are still available for recovery. Most Android devices keep deleted files in the recycle bin for a limited time, often 30 days, before permanently deleting them. To restore a file, tap and hold the item you want to recover, and then select Restore. If you want to permanently remove a file, tap and hold it and choose Delete. And that's how to find the recycle bin on an Android phone. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Android tutorials and tips.